Hello everyone, my name is Leon Bing. My machine number is S46249. Now we're going to discuss about the individual assignment. So based on the instruction, now we're going to download the file. So the first question is asked to do the relationship. So I will add all the table. So now we'll do the relationship, which is our going to add a primary key for the employee first. So I can do the relationship, which the employee ID will be the primary key. Okay. Now the customer and employee table will link to the inventory table. Sorry, it will link to customer. It will link to sales table. So now the sales table will link to the sales item table, and then lastly the inventory table will link by the sales item table. This is all the relationship. So for question 2, we will use the customer table to solve the question. So actually the shortcode I need using a customer table, which is we need to know the customer name and the credit limit, which is less than 40,000, which we will only show with ascending order. So review. So this all the company that credit limit is less than 40,000, which is we are show in the ascending order, since the credit limit is increased from the smallest to the highest. So for the question 3, we are using the inventory table to find out who is involved in the chocolate. So our product is key in the inventory table, which is we need to know only the name, which is involved chocolate. So this is all the chocolate which is name with the name with involved chocolate. However, you will see that this name is appeared 2 times. This is because one is involved cafeterian and one is not involved the coffeetarian. Now I will show you. So if I open a new file, you will see that. So one chocolate is involved in cafeterian, method. One is not involved the cafeterian. So for question 4, we are using the employee table to find out who is being the first 3 be hired. So employer, we need to know his name, which is the first name and last name, and the higher date, which is we're going to be the ascending order, so we'll know who is the first 3 will be hired. So now this is the first 3 be hired: Stephen Berman, Sharon Stoney, and Ellen Morrison. So for question 5, who are the top 3 customers in 2015? So this question we need to create 3 tables, which is customer to know customer name, sales to know the date that occur the sales, and so the one is the total sales. So from customer we need to know the customer name, and from sales we need the invoice that, so we know when is the invoice occur. And lastly the table we will create ourselves, which is total sales, which are quantity times the unit price. Since you need to know it's a top part cell, so it's descending order and product. We need a total, so we will also help us to group all the invoice, which is the same item in the invoice. So now sum. So for invoice that we need to know that since it's only for 2015, so we need to set a limit between 2050 January 1st and 2050 December 31st. So data view. So this is the three companies with the top 3 sales in 2015, which is Sherwood Packaging Corporation, Overseas Shopping Group Incorporation, Cash America International Incorporation. Lastly, the question is question 6. This question 6 is similar to question 5, but now he asks the top 3 employees. So this is, we need to know the employees, sales, and also sales item. So we also need to know company name, which is his first name and last name. We need to also know the invoice date, which is involved in 2014 only, and the last is same formula from question 5. So I will just straightforward copy from section 5. So also the same thing, we need to know top sales, and we need to sum it up. So and the difference is that invoice that since it only inquired for 2014, so it only between 2014 January 1st, sorry, mistake, January 1st and 2014 December 31. So let's see the answer. So the top 3 seller employees: David Cole, Barbara Watterson, and Hillary Felitas Dale. So that's all from me. Thank you.